Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I just arrived here at camp next to this beautiful little river over here. Well, I guess that's actually a creek. Got these amazing like rock formations around me, but today I was gonna go kind of a little less like in the mountains like I have been like in my couple of previous videos. Kind of stay low elevation because I wanted to try to look for some mushrooms. This should be like the perfect place for them. And they have already been seen here in Montana for a few weeks now, I've heard. So I'm a little late to the party. You know, it is a little cold out right now, so I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna find anything. But if I don't, that's okay. I brought some food with me and we have a whole campground to ourselves. I don't understand why I keep getting campgrounds to myself in like beautiful locations. Looks like it's starting to snow a little bit, but next to the water here with like a bunch of cottonwood trees and poplar trees, and just like it's not super piney down here, so that's a good sign for morel mushrooms. I'm not sure if I'd find any this close to the campground, but with like no people here, it makes me think maybe I would. Keeping my eyes open for the blacks. There's a lot of black morels here in Montana. I found a bunch of yellows last year when I was in Kentucky. I just got here and I'm already looking. I kind of need to set up camp first, but I'll just kind of peek over at least a little bit. Spirits are high. Beautiful little camp spot. All right, camp is set up. Didn't really take much. I just got my solar panels out and pulled my cooler out just to kind of claim my little spot. Because you never know. People are weird and rude like that sometimes. But someone did pull up in an RV over there. But that's all right. Hopefully they just stay over there. Either way, it doesn't matter because I'm actually going to be hiking away pretty soon, looking for some mushrooms. We've been like going through like these really warm days and then like back to cold, snowy days, really warm days, then back to cold. So it's like the mushrooms are probably like in like a weird state of shock or something. But it's not been really that great. Hopefully they're out today, or at least I hope I can like find an old one. So that way at least I know that they're in the area. But yeah, I'm gonna just look around for some mushrooms, and if I find something, or if I don't, I will see you guys here in a little bit. I found one. Look at this right here. Got myself a morel. Yes. Oh, look at this beautiful thing. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh. Heck yes. It looks good too. All right, I'm gonna keep looking around in this area. This will be my first time trying a black morel too. I have had the yellow morels. I have had the yellows in the past, but a black, never had a black before. So this will be cool. Yes. So great with dinner tonight. Even if it's just one, I am so happy. I'm gonna keep looking for more, but I am so happy right now. I did not think I'd actually find any. I thought it might be a little too cold, but no, it's not. This thing is like nice and healthy. Doesn't look super old. It doesn't look like it grew last night or anything, but it's still nice and spongy. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of bugs in it or anything. I actually don't see any bugs, but I ain't afraid of the little bugs. Well guys, came back to camp. Spent a couple hours of searching. Did find the one black morel, so that's a huge win. Wish I would have found more, but you know, keep on looking. Starting to snow right now. Not sure what that is, so I'm not gonna bother it. I wish I did know. Guys, let me know in the comments. Is this an oyster mushroom? I ripped some of it off already, just to kind of get like a good look at it. What do you think? I wish I knew. If that's an oyster mushroom, I'm passing up on a great mushroom right now. I'm just not confident, so I don't want to eat it. Sad. I'm still looking for the morels. Well guys, been out there searching for about 4 hours now. Only found the one mushroom. It's crazy. Found that in like the first like 30 minutes of looking, and then I just kept looking and looking, nothing. But it is cold, so there's a chance that they could have came up and already died off, because these things don't last very long. Today, since we already have one, let's cook it up. I got some steak I'm gonna cook with it. So yeah, let's get this mushroom prepped, and yeah, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so for the first step, what we're gonna do is cut it in half. This ain't necessarily the best knife. It needs to be sharpened. Kind of give it a good look over. Make sure nothing weird is going on with it. Looks totally fine to me. I'm just gonna chop it, chop it, chop it. Eat the stem too, why not? Pretty good pieces. You don't want it to just be like diced up too much. There we go. That's basically it. Now I just gotta throw it in a pan with some butter in it. There we go. I'll let these cook for a little bit. And ready to try them. I'm excited to try these. All right, they look cooked. Let's get them out and try them. It's like obviously like way less. Look, it's like so small amount here. Like one little mushroom is not enough to like feed me, honestly. Kind of stinks I didn't find like a whole bunch. I would have loved to just eat morels for dinner, but you know, it is what it is. So here's what it looks like cooked. And then here's the inside of it. Just kind of like darkens up. Give it a try. That's really tasty. I have to find more of these. It stinks that I found this one, because now I'm going to be craving morel mushrooms for the rest of the year. That is so good. Now I'm out of morel mushrooms, and I really, really want more now. If you haven't had morel mushroom yet, you are missing out. I promise. That is so freaking good. Oh man. It tastes very similar to the yellows, but whew, yum. So much yum right there. Really stinks I couldn't find more, but for dinner, I got this steak right here. Slap it on in this mushroom juice. There we go, there's our steak. Wish I had more mushroom. Sheesh. That's all I'm gonna be able to think about. So we got steak. Steak. Got some fresh fruit right here and some little tomatoes. Some cottage cheese as well. I like it. I know it's a hot topic, but I think that stuff's real good. Yeah, so the steak's really good. Doesn't have like too much of a mushroom taste to it from cooking it in the mushroom. Didn't think it would, but still really good. All right, guys. That dinner was pretty delicious, I gotta say. I got a couple hours of daylight. Why not just take the trail and look for mushrooms at the same time? That's what I want to do. That was the first prickly pear I've seen in all of Montana. I personally didn't even know they grew here. So that's cool. I gotta remember that, so that way I can come back and get some prickly pear fruit later this year. If those little things even make fruit. I'm not entirely sure if they're gonna make fruit, but it'd be worth a shot to check. It's getting dark out, guys. I gotta head back to camp. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite type of mushroom? Mine is now the black morel. That was so good, I gotta get more of them. And I'm gonna keep looking this year. Is yours the chicken of the woods, puffball? Is it the Mario mushroom? Is it the golden teacher? Can be anything. Let me know in the comments. But that's it for me. I'll see you guys next week.